Namaskar dosto, good morning friends. Today we are going to have 3 solar cookers. We are going to cook chicken curry in this. This is Schezwan fried rice, and this is going to be Puliogare rice, which is for the lunch. Now let's focus on the Schezwan fried rice. This I am going to eat it as a lunch. I put some carrot, some spring onion. I just chopped it, put some soya sauce, and I'll put some more water in this. Yeah, so this is very tasty dish. Okay, then we have another called Puliogare rice, and this Puliogare powder, which is already made by my wife in COVID time. We have made only 2 kgs, which is enough for almost 2 years. So you put this Puliogare powder. You can get it in the ready-made market also, in every Indian supermarket. So you can notice this is the raw rice and Puliogare powder, and you can put this. Okay, so we'll close the lid. Again, video again. So we'll keep it here. It is 10:30 in the morning. This is going to be chicken, and this is what is called as a Schezwan fried rice. I put some Schezwan sauce also. That's good. Friends, we are going to cook chicken in this. This is the chicken. These are the spices. This is the green watan, which we call it as a mixed gravy. This is the chicken masala. This is bit of oil. Oil we don't want more, so now I'll ask sir to make it. Yes. Okay, so he's marinating it. See, I'm not expert in chicken, but the point is that 3 hours it get cooked in the solar cooker. So this is the simple process from which you can cook anywhere in the world. If you are living on a farm, if you are having what kind of a picnic on the beach, you can make your own food. Just carry this solar cooker on the top of your car, or that's it. So this is the chicken getting marinated, and it's a slow cooking, so it will definitely give you the flavor. Is putting oil, cooking oil you can use olive oil, or you can use the normal groundnut, soybean or sunflower or rice oil also, you can use it. Then you can put some I know water. Okay. Now he'll put some oil, thoda small quantity, that's it. Okay. Now he's putting the chicken in this. We'll take a look. It takes 4 hours to cook in this solar cooker. So bit just a little, like this. Okay, and then green gravy. Art is on the top of technology. You can see cooking is an art, and it involves a lot of knowledge of spices, then all kinds of cooking recipes. So this is where you are. This is the spices, Indian spices, which is called chicken gravy masala. You can see we are putting chicken gravy masala so that it will get nicely cooked. Now this dish you can get it in the restaurant for almost $8 or something like that, or maybe more than $5. depending upon it. Put some little water, just splice water. Bas. It will cook for its own juices, its own fat, and you can't see that the cooking, because when it is cooked or not, because it doesn't inflate, neither it reduces its size. So one has to taste with the fork only whether the chicken is cooked. नको एकदम ग्रेव्ही होईल. ओके, त्याच्यात पाणी ओतून थोडंसं घाल. So because the water doesn't evaporate in this, and that is the reason it is an enclosed cooking, so the water remains inside. Okay, so close the lid now. Yeah, water remains inside. Close it and place it under the sun. Now I am going to teach him microcontrollers today. So we will open it at 3 o'clock in the break, and we'll have a lunch. Okay, so all guys, stay tuned. This is 10:30, little higher sun, but I had a class in the morning. Okay, good afternoon friends. It is almost 3:15 and 4.5 hours. We are cooking chicken in this. We are cooking Puliogare rice in this, and here it is a Schezwan fried rice. So first I will open Schezwan fried rice, then I will open the Puliogare, and then my all students will open. They are eagerly waiting to eat solar cooked chicken. So we will open it one by one. First is Schezwan rice. We will open it. It is 3 hours. Sorry, more than 4 hours. So I hope it must have been done. Ah, that's fantastic. Really great. You see what a color, what a flavor, and what a steam. सगळं एकदम ओके. सगळं एकदम ओके मध्ये. मिशन सक्सेसफुल. Now we will open Puliogare rice, which is lunch for our Mainak sir.
Yes.
He loves, is very enthusiastic about solar cooking, and he is the motivation for me. So I was alone here.
I'm glad to appreciate.
Yeah, this is fantastic. You see how the Puliogare rice is cooked. This is having excellent taste. Now the main part where all students are waiting. Now it's time to open the chicken. Everybody is so happy, delighted. Sarth, Gaurav, Mainak sir, and all my mechatronics students. I have taught them last year. So they are opening it. You can see the color. You can see the color of the chicken, and you can see the steam also.
Mechanical guy Gaurav has taken.
Gaurav is tasting. Fantastic. Arey Sarth, karna taste kar. Sarth has taken a lot of effort to catch the chicken and then cut it. The smell is coming here also. I can't bear the smell. Arey camera दाखवा ना. See how is the chicken. Great, you can eat with the rice or bhakri. Thumbs up. Great.